Hello, Mario! In this video, 22 Excavation 3, we're going to look at collating the information together and getting it into our previous AutoCAD drawing and building up some more sheets in our plan set. So let's get on with it by getting into 12D. So when I last left you in 12D, this was pretty much the situation we had. And what we're trying to do here is to export the new information out to AutoCAD, which is where we're doing the major or the heavy lifting with regards to the drafting. It is possible to do a lot of these functions in 12D, but there are some complex issues there that currently are beyond my skill level in that regard. So we're working on that, but AutoCAD is certainly, for me, the go-to place where I do my finalising and tidying of my plans up. And I have to say that I'm not alone in that. There's quite a number of people, I believe, that follow that methodology. So one of the first things we've got to be careful about is sort of duplicating information. So there's no point sending information back to AutoCAD that we originally got from AutoCAD. So first thing I'm going to do is just to go through and do a bit of an audit of the models that I've got showing here before I send this data back to AutoCAD. So I don't think I need the boundaries. Possibly the existing boundary, the existing road, certainly don't need those, so they can all go. Looks like the road centre lines, I doubt that I'd need that as well, and the heights of the ground, probably quite sure what that is, but we don't really need that. Now we've got some duplication here. I'm pretty sure that we can turn off these unsuitable minor, certainly there. That'll, if we can turn that off, it'll come up as part of the contouring of the super tin. But it may well pay just to perhaps have that in there in AutoCAD anyway as a layer that we can possibly turn off. So it's certainly one that's not there. So I might just turn that back on. You'll see that there's some duplication. The unsuitable minor, unsuitable major will be repeated in that the tin will also have recorded those in some of the labels, but that could possibly be tidied up in AutoCAD, and it certainly would be new information. Now I've done quite a few unsuitable sections labels. That's all unsuitable one, that's all pretty good there, and the stockpile labels section in the interface, and I've actually done 2 lots of contours for the super alignment, but so I think I can turn one of those off certainly, and then the other will remain, and I can certainly ground turn perhaps the one with the least worst spelling off. So that's going to leave us a set of contours there. We can always come back and grab some more, it's not a big, so there's ground sup, major labels, minors, there's the stockpile stuff and that there. I'd really like to rename some of these models so that, so I'm going to go model, rename, and I'm going to just sort of fix up the spelling mistakes really. GRO ground, so ground sup major. Oh, sorry. So we select that one there, ground sup major, and we go in here we can select ground sub major again, and then put the U in it. It's a bit of a cumbersome methodology. Okay, and rename. Okay, so that's yes. So that should fix that. I'm not quite sure what's going on there. Ground sub major, ground sub labels. Just wanted to fix that one. So ground sub minor, ground sub minor. That one there. There it is. There, ground sub minor, and we'll just hit it there. Hit it here again. Ground sub minor. Come on. And then we'll just put a little space in there and rename. Finish, I hope. Drop that down, and then we'll open it up again. So ground sub labels, ground sub major, grade sub minor is the ground super tin that goes through each of the excavation and the thing. So that's all good. We've got that all nice and sorted there, and all ready to go. So that's marvelous. So what we're going to do now is we're going to export that to AutoCAD. Export that to AutoCAD. So file, input output, data output. Okay. This one here, DWG, like so. And we're going to put that up and over there. We're going to just, this view that we've got here, just looking at it, it's plan 3. So that's the one I'm going to export. DWG is my preferred metric. That's there, the file name. Let's call it excavation. I'll just call it the excavation. DWG. Dimension, I think it's probably best just to keep it in 2D. And I'm just going to have that default there to 0. Scale, I think that's fine. Can't see any problems there, and we'll just write that there. Okay, just pays to check where I've sent it. So browse, just where did it go? Excavation. So it's gone to detail and modeling, subdivision design, excavation. So that's where it is. So that's all file name. Oh, we can actually maybe open it there. So how that's going to work. Perhaps not there. So let's go file, open. That's just using my titles there. So I had it on my thing there. Detailing, design and drawing, detail and modeling. Subdivision design, I think it is, and excavation. This little signal here will always come up with when you export out of 12D. Just it's normal, it's all good. And here's our plan here, all good to go. Just checking my coordinates. Oh, down here. Don't seem to be moving, but I seem to be of the right ilk or order. And there we go. So yes, that seems to be it. Exported out to AutoCAD. Oh, I see, yes, I've got the clean screen on, so let's just put that up there. And there's our thing there. If we just go to home and just let's have a bit of a squiz at the layers that we've got here. Yes, we've got all the layers there as predicted. So yeah, that should be pretty good. Yeah, we can just have a look up here. If we just go to this one here, isolate here, just maybe isolate this layer here. Settings, S for settings, off, enter. Okay, so just enter, and yeah, there's our major layer there, all isolated. Okay, and yeah, we can unisolate it here, which is cool. Brings it all back together. So yeah, that's pretty good. I think we've exported that out to AutoCAD, and we're now ready to do some work with that, or import that plan into our actual AutoCAD plan. Do some work with that, possibly XREF it in or something of that order, and yeah, try and get some something happening. So I think we'll leave that one there, and we'll catch you back on the other side with a little bit of AutoCAD. So cheers, see you.